Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is conditional formatting. It has two parts. We'll discuss the basic part in this video. Conditional formatting is used to visually highlight data using bar, icon and colors based on different conditions. We shall highlight data with greater than a particular value. We shall select the data and select greater than values from highlight cell rules in conditional formatting in styles category of the home tab, which will open a window. In the greater than window, in the format cells that are greater than box, give the required value. We can give how the data should be highlighted in the drop-down menu based on this value. We can give either text color, fill color, border or even custom format. If we are choosing custom format, we can go to the fill option and choose our desired color. Since it is a dynamic option, changes will be reflected in the data as and when we make changes to the values. This is a very useful option in reports. In the same way, we can highlight data based on less than a particular value. We can select the data and click on less than option in the highlight cell rules in conditional formatting. In the window, we can give the desired value and the desired highlighting option. We can also highlight data between a range of values. Select the data and select Between option from Highlight Cell Rules section. In the window, we can give the beginning and ending values and the highlighting option. We can highlight the top value by selecting the top 10 items option in top or bottom rules of the conditional formatting. In the window, we can give how many top values to be highlighted and also the highlighting option. Same is the case with bottom values. Select bottom 10 items option here and then give the desired values in the window. There are other options such as percentage, average, etc. which you can do and find out yourself. Practicing these will help you in such needs. We can find out duplicate or unique values in the data. For this, we can use the last option, duplicate, in Highlight Cell Rules section. Here, we can give either unique or duplicate values to highlight. We can highlight text that contains a particular character or piece of text. We can use text that contains option from Highlight Cell Rules section. Here, we can give the particular piece of text and the highlighting options. Let us now do these in a date. There are various options in date. Let us do one of them. This video was recorded in July 2021. Let us give this month option to highlight using a date occurring option in the Highlight Cell Rules section. We can see that all are highlighted. Now we shall change the month and check. When the date is changed, it is not highlighted. Likewise, there are so many options here. We can remove this highlighting. We can use the Clear Rules option towards the last of the conditional formatting. There are two options for this. If we are selecting the cells, we can choose the selected cells option. Otherwise, we can use the entire sheet option. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.